Hello, hello. Welcome back to Practice English Daily. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We're going to talk about the future.
That's right, the future. We will talk about your plans. We will talk about your decisions.
Eric, do you know the most common question students ask me?
Is it, how are you?
No, they ask, Jessica, when do I say I will and when do I say I am going to?
Ah, yes, the future tense. It can be a little confusing, but don't worry, today we will make it very simple.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to talk about your weekend, your holiday, or your dinner.
Before we start, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Yes, please do. Okay, Eric, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's start with plans.
A plan is something you decided before now. You thought about it yesterday, or maybe this morning.
Exactly. It is in your calendar, it is in your head. For plans, we use the phrase going to.
Going to.
Let's listen to a short conversation. Eric and I are talking about the weekend. Listen for the words going to. Hey, Eric, it's finally Friday.
I know, I am so happy.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my mother. We are going to eat lunch together. What about you?
I am going to stay home. I am going to watch a movie and clean my house.
That sounds relaxing.
Okay, listeners, did you hear the phrase?
I said, I am going to visit my mother.
This is a plan. Eric decided this days ago. He called his mother. They made a plan.
Correct. I cannot use will here. If I say, I will visit my mother, it sounds like I just decided right now. But this is a plan. So I say, I am going to visit her.
Let's practice the grammar structure. It is very easy.
You need the verb to be, am, is, or are,
Plus going to.
plus the verb.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am going to.
Good. Again. I am going to visit.
Now let's try another one. She is going to clean.
We are going to eat.
Great job. Now, Eric, I notice something in natural speech. We often speak very fast.
Yes. In casual English, going to often sounds like gonna.
G-O-N-N-A, gonna. This is not for writing. Do not write gonna on a test. But for speaking, it is very common.
Let's listen to our conversation again, but this time we will use gonna.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my mother. What about you?
I'm going to watch a movie.
Did you hear the difference? It sounds smoother. I'm gonna visit.
Listeners, let's try saying it. Just try. I'm gonna watch a movie.
Nice. Remember, this is for plans, things you already decided.
Okay, so we have plans. But what happens when we decide something right now?
In this moment, a sudden idea.
For sudden decisions, we use will.
We often use this at a restaurant or when the phone rings.
Let's imagine a scene. We are at a coffee shop. We are looking at the menu. We did not plan what to drink. We are deciding now.
Listen for will.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Let me look. The latte looks good, but I like tea.
Take your time.
Okay, I decided. I will have the green tea, please.
Great choice. And for food?
Oh, that cake looks nice. I will take a piece of chocolate cake.
Okay. In this situation, Eric did not have a plan. He looked at the menu, thought for 1 second, and decided.
So I used will. I said, I will have the green tea.
In English, we rarely say the full word I will. We usually use the contraction, I'll.
IL. It sounds like I'll.
Let's practice the pronunciation. It is a little tricky. I-L.
IL.
Now, let's use it in a sentence. Imagine the phone is ringing. Ring, ring.
I didn't plan to answer the phone, but I hear it. I decide now. I'll answer it.
Good. Or imagine someone knocks on the door. Knock, knock.
I'll open the door.
Perfect. You are doing a great job, listeners.
So, Jessica, can we compare them?
Yes, let's compare. Imagine my car is dirty.
Okay, scenario A. You look at your dirty car on Monday. You think, okay, on Saturday I have free time. I plan to wash it.
On Saturday, Eric asks me, "What are you doing?" I say, "I am going to wash my car."
Because I planned it. Scenario B. You are walking to your car. Suddenly, a bird flies over. Splat! The bird makes your car dirty.
Oh no, I see the dirt right now. I decide right now. Yuck, I will wash it right now.
See the difference? Plan, going to. Sudden decision, will.
Now it is time for a challenge.
We are going to tell you a situation. You have to choose, going to or will.
Don't worry, we will help you.
Situation number 1. You bought a plane ticket to Paris last month. You have the ticket in your hand. You are talking to a friend. Do you say, A, I will fly to Paris, B, I am going to fly to Paris?
Think about it. Is it a plan or a sudden decision?
The answer is B, I am going to fly to Paris.
Why? Because you bought the ticket last month. It is a plan. Good job.
Situation number 2. You are at a party. It is very hot. You want a window open. You decide right now. Do you say A, I am going to open the window? B, I will open the window.
The answer is B. I will open the window.
Or with the contraction, I'll open the window.
Correct. You decided in that moment because you felt hot. You did not plan this yesterday.
You guys are getting good at this.
Let's move to the next step. Negatives.
How do we say no in the future?
For going to, it is easy. You just add not.
I am not going to.
Example, I am not going to work tomorrow. It is Saturday.
She is not going to eat meat. She is a vegetarian.
Your turn. Repeat after me. I am not going to cook tonight.
Now, let's look at will. The negative of will is
Will not.
but native speakers almost never say will not. We have a special word. Won't.
W-O-N'-T. Won't.
Be careful with the pronunciation. It sounds like phone or home. Won't.
It is different from want, like I want a pizza. Listen closely. Want, short sound. Won't, long O sound.
I won't do it.
I won't go.
So when do we use won't? We use it for refusing or when we decide not to do something.
For example, my car is broken. It won't start.
Or imagine I ask you for money. Jessica, give me $500.
No, I won't give you money.
Ouch. Okay, good example.
Okay, listeners, you have learned a lot. 1. Going to for plans. 2. Will for quick decisions.
Now, let's listen to a longer conversation. Jessica and I are planning a party.
In this conversation, we use both forms. Try to hear them.
Okay, Jessica, we need to organize the birthday party for Tom.
I know, I have a plan. I am going to buy the decorations tomorrow morning.
Good. What about the food?
I am going to make a big pizza.
Oh, we don't have any cheese.
Really? I didn't know that. Okay, I will go to the store and buy some cheese now.
Wait, I am free now. I'll drive you.
Thanks. Oh, did we invite Sarah?
No, I forgot. I'll call her right now.
Great. This is going to be a fun party.
That was a good mix. Let's break it down.
First, I said, I am going to buy decorations. That was my plan.
Then we realized a problem. No cheese.
So I made a new decision. I will go to the store.
Then I offered help. I will drive you. This is an offer. Offers always use will.
And then you realized you forgot Sarah.
Sudden realization. I will call her.
And finally, a prediction. This is going to be a fun party.
Ah, yes. We can use going to for predictions when we are sure.
If you look at the dark clouds, you say, it is going to rain.
Because we can see the clouds, it is almost sure.
Before we finish, let's talk about one small mistake.
Yes, many students use the present simple for the future.
They say, I visit my mother tomorrow.
In English, this sounds a little strange. It is better to say, I am going to visit my mother tomorrow.
Or sometimes students use will for everything. I will visit my mother tomorrow. I will clean my house. I will watch TV.
If you say this, you sound like a robot, or you sound like you are just guessing.
If you have a plan, use going to. It sounds much more natural.
I'm gonna visit my mom. I'm gonna clean the house.
It sounds friendly and relaxed.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Let's do a quick recap. Eric, what do we use for plans?
For plans, we use going to or gonna. Example, I am going to sleep late on Sunday.
And what do we use for sudden decisions or offers?
We use will or I'll. Example, the phone is ringing. I'll get it.
Excellent. Listeners, how do you feel?
Do you feel more confident?
I hope so. Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
You are improving every day. Just by listening to this podcast, you are practicing. That is a great success.
We want to hear from you. We have a question for the community.
Yes, please tell us in the comments section, what are you going to do this weekend?
Are you going to study English? Are you going to play soccer? Are you going to sleep?
Use the phrase, I am going to, and tell us your plan.
We will read your comments and reply to them.
Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Daily.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.